we'll guide you through how to recover your Dropbox account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop. At the login page, you will see the Forgot Your Password link under the password field. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. After entering your email, click on Submit. Dropbox will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Go to your email inbox and look for a message from Dropbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the reset link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure it's something secure and memorable. Once you've entered your new password, click on Submit or Reset Password. You should now be able to log into your Dropbox account with your new password. A helpful tip: if you don't remember the email address linked to your account, try searching your email accounts for any messages from Dropbox. This might help you identify the correct email address. If you've tried these steps and can't access your account, you might need to reach out to Dropbox support for further assistance. They can help you verify your identity and regain access. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.